Good morning, students. This is Harsnath Sukla, and today I am going to discuss the revision lecture 6 for class 12. Topic is inverse trigonometric function, and we have to discuss more question based on this topic. Okay, so first of all, solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. This is a trigonometric equation, inverse trigonometric equation. Tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to pi by 4. So for this particular question, we have to use tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So this is tan inverse 2x plus 3x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x is equal to pi by 4. So this is 5x upon 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan pi by 4. So 5x upon 1 minus 6x square is equal to 1. Why? Because tan pi by 4 is 1. So 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. So this becomes 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. So factorize it. 6 minus 6. So 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 6x is common, then x plus 1, and minus 1 is common, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the total x plus 1 is common, 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this becomes either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 6x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 1 or 6x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 6. So the value of x is minus 1 or x is equal to 1 by 6. Since x is equal to minus 1 does not satisfy the equation, hence x is equal to 1 by 6 is the answer. Now write down next question. Simplify tan inverse a cos x minus b sin x simplify tan inverse of a cos x plus minus b sin x simplify tan inverse of a cos x plus b sin x divided by a cos x minus b sin x. Okay, if a by b tan x is greater than minus 1, if a by b tan x is greater than minus 1. So now simplify. So this can be written as tan inverse of a cos x is a common, then this is 1 plus b by a tan x dividing common is b cos. Then this is a by b minus tan x and the whole divided by b cos x again taken common. So this is 1 plus wrong side e cos x, sorry, b cos x minus a sin x. Question is this: if we take b cos x common, then 1 minus a by b, and this is tan x. Okay, so b cos x is cancelled out. This one is tan inverse of a by b minus tan x divided by 1 minus a by b and tan x. So this is nothing but tan inverse of x minus y upon 1 minus xy. So you know very well, this is the, since tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So to simplify it, this becomes tan inverse a by b minus tan inverse of x. So this is tan inverse a by b, and this tan inverse x is x simply. So this is the solution of this particular question. Okay. Now next question is, prove that tan inverse of 1 by 5 tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. We have to prove this one. Okay. So for this question we have take these two and these two terms together. So this one is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So using the formula LHS part, tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. Okay. So taking these two terms together, we get tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7, and here also tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. So this is nothing but tan inverse of 7 plus 5 divided by 35, and this is 35 minus 1 divided by 35. This is cancelled out. In the same manner, tan inverse 8 plus 3 divided by 24 divided by 24 minus 1 upon 24. This is also cancelled out. So this becomes tan inverse of 12 upon 34 plus tan inverse of 8 3 11 upon 23. Now again using the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, we get the solution. So see, tan inverse of 12 upon 34 plus 11 by 23 divided by 1 minus 12 by 34 and 11 by 23. So this one is tan inverse of 34 into 23, so 12 into 23 plus 11 into 34 divided by 34 into 23 minus 11 into 12 divided by 34 into 23. This whole is cancelled out. This is tan inverse of 12 3 the 36, 12 to the 24 the 27 plus 11 4 the 44, 11 3 the 33 and 4 37 divided by 23 into 34, 34 into 23, this is 312, 102, and this is 8, this is 6, 2, 8, 7, 782 minus 11 12 are 12 1 are 12 and 12 1 are 12 1 13, and now tan inverse of 6 4 10, and this is 7 7 14 15 3 2 5 1 6 divided by this one is 2 2 0 8 3 5 7 1 6. So this becomes tan inverse of 1, and this is nothing but pi by 4. So this one is the RHS of this equation, hence proved. So this is also an important question, so please try to understand this one. Prove that next one is prove that tan inverse of root x, tan inverse of root x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. So this is the question. For this question, first of all, we change the question. That means we transfer here 2 tan inverse root x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now, either you can take LHS or RHS. So LHS we have to take 2 tan inverse of root x, and as you know, 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So it will be 2 tan inverse x can be written as cos inverse of 1 minus root x whole square upon 1 plus root x whole square, and this will be become cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. So this is the RHS of that particular equation. So next question. So next one. Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x. Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2. Then what is the value of x? Okay. So for this solution, sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Then we can write it as minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 minus x. then this will become minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 minus, that means this is cos inverse 1 minus x. Okay, so we have to write it as 2 sine inverse of minus x, this is cos inverse of 1 minus x. Yes, so this is we already know the formula for either this one or this one. 2 sine inverse of minus x is nothing but sine inverse of x, that is minus x, root of 1 minus x square is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x can be written as sine inverse root of 1 minus 1 minus of x whole square. Okay, so this is cancelled out, so this becomes x root of 1 minus x square is equal to 1 minus x square within square root. On squaring both sides we get 1 minus x square, and this is 1 minus of 1 minus x whole square, and you have to solve this one. So x square 1 minus x square is equals to 1 minus 1 plus x power 4 minus 2x square, 1 minus, this implies x square minus x to the power 4 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus x to the power 4 and plus 2x square. So this one is cancelled out, 1 cancelled out, this is 2x square, x square is equal to 2x square, so 2x square, x square is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. So answer is x is equal to 0. It is given option C is correct. Okay. So this is the solution of this particular question. Now next one. Two tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. 2 tan inverse cos x tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse of cosec x. You have to find the value of x because solve the following. Okay, so 2 tan inverse x treated as this one is treated as 2 tan inverse x, then this is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. This is tan inverse of cosec x only, and then tan inverse x, tan inverse y. So simply you can write 2 cos x upon, supposed to be this sin square x, and otherwise you can write it as 1 minus cos square x only, and this is cosec x. Okay, so this one is 2 cos x upon sin square x is equal to 1 upon sin x. So this is 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin square x. 2 sin x cos x minus sin square x is equal to 0. 2 sin x, that means sin x is taken as a common. This is 2 cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So either sin x is equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So from first one x should be 0, and from this 2 cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. 2 cos x is equal to sin x. So tan x is equal to 2. So x is equal to tan inverse of 2. So any one of this is the solution. So thank you, please